system errors causing the ssubtmr6.dll crashes in VB6 Runtime Extensions. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. As we look at the manual steps for ssubtmr6, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the ssubtmr6, the Smart Subclassing and Timer Library, V6, a specialized unmanaged module used by localized VB6 developers to manage localized high-performance localized timers and localized window, localized hooking data link manifests. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. A damaged or incomplete VB6 Runtime Extensions installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of VB6 Runtime Extensions to restore required files, such as ssubtmr6.dll, to the application directory. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered ssubtmr6 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of ssubtmr6.dll. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If registry clutter or ssubtmr6 inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. If ssubtmr6 is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.